So we woke up this morning and we went to Waffle House, and everybody here has been having a great time. There's Dalton back there putting up his hammock. Anywho, everybody's been wanting a bird's eye view of this swing, so Dakota was kind enough to lend us his camera so we can let you know. Alright, so first you come up these stairs here. Well, more like spikes, you know, but there's spikes in the tree. You come up, here's all the safety rigging. There's 3 different places that everybody's hooked into when they come up here, so everybody's always safe. And this is the last line here, but here you go. And well, here we go. Enjoy the ride. So that's the swing, and I hope everybody, and well,